My name is Will from LundHalsey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our brand new online configurator called Design My Control Room. This tool allows you to design your entire control room in the comfort of your own home or your office. Once you've done so, you can then share it with our team who will help you from start to finish with your entire project. Let me show you how it works. Once you've registered by clicking on Design My Control Room on our homepage, you'll be faced here with two options. One for control command, which is used for pretty much every application you can think of regarding control rooms. The second one is for E-Type 2, which is purely broadcast centric. So today we're going to show you first of all how to use control command. Simply click on control command and then you'll be faced with a loading page. This is just loading all the components that can build your console. As you can see here, you can rotate it fully 360 degrees, you can zoom in and out, and you're starting off with a 1 bay and an end panel. Now today we'll just build a simple console by clicking on the add button. We'll add a 640mm bay, so we can add 2 bays, 3 bays, and then we'll add a corner as well to make it curved. Simply add that as well. Again, you can continue to look around as you're building. We'll add two more bays, create a nice curved console, and then to finish that off, another end panel. So that's the basis of this console. Over here you'll see you have width and depth. You can change that from inches to millimeters. We can then start to add things like monitor arms. Let's add 3 over here, and then potentially some dual monitor arms over here. So now it's starting to really take shape, and that's taken less than 30 seconds. As you can see, you can also play your video of the control command on those screens. Later on in development, we're going to be able to play any video you want on there. So it can be corporate videos, it can even be programs that you want to use in that real life environment. If we scroll down the accessories, you'll see things out here. So for PC pull-out trays, depending on how many CPUs you want, KVM trays, 4U rack mounts, PDUs, which are your power distribution units that go inside the console. So if we add a few of those, you can see here. Now we've removed the rear doors and the rear shelf. We'll add some power units to power those PC screens. We'll then also now add some PCs. And we'll also add some KVMs. And if necessary, you can also add rack mount inserts if you need to rack mount your CPUs within the console. This is a 4U rack mount insert. And now we're going to start adding some keyboard and mice. So there's essentially one operator here and one operator here. It's a 2 operator console. One of them has 3 screens and the other one has 2. Now for desktop power, you can have control touch units. These are the rotating docks that you might have seen on our product video already. One per operator. Now it comes to the point where we're happy with this console and we want to potentially put 2 of these within a control room. So what I'm going to do is name this console Now that's saved, we can then go back to the main menu, and instead of clicking on consoles, we click at the top here to rooms, and then we start a new room, and it gives you the outline of the standard room at 10 meters by 10 meters. So what we do next is add consoles by clicking on the add button, and we'll add demo to operating console. This then loads that console within the room, and here you can see you can move it around. You can also turn it. You can have a full view of how you want to rotate it. and then we can add another console. And then we can go back to adding consoles, and we can add one that I prepared earlier for control room Malta. And there you see how you can effectively look around your entire control room. You can zoom in and out until you're happy with what you've created. We're now going to save this by creating a name for it. Once you've created your console and you're happy with it and you want to share it with the LundHalsey team, simply go into the top right corner, you see a drop down menu and you click Share with Lund. Click on there, confirm. That will now be sent to our full sales team, and someone from that team will contact you within 24 hours to discuss your project further. Currently, we have two of our product ranges available on our configurator. We have control commands, which can be used in any application. We also have the E-Type 2, which is specifically for broadcast applications. We are also launching VR capability. So once you've created your own control room, you can then get a VR headset, and you can actually walk around your own control room and have a look at the ergonomics. You can have a look at the space awareness and really get a feel of what you're about to create before you actually press send and place that order. Due to current circumstances, it's going to be very difficult for us to attend trade shows. Generally, we do about 9 or 10 a year. Now, because of the current situation, VR will become a huge part of what we do.
We're very pleased to now introduce to you bill of materials. By clicking View Details, you can view how many bays you've created. You can also expand this to see how many accessories each bay contains. By clicking on the plus button, you can now insert an operator within space available, put them in the position they'll be sat at, and view their exact sight lines. Once you're happy with the design of your console, you can now save it as a PDF. So by clicking in the top right, clicking onto Save as PDF, you can create your document to use as you please. This can be used for tender responses, or this can be shared with LundHalsey for quotation purposes.